Hi, I'm William Kaario. I'm part of the operations and also the junior mechanic here at ESP. Part of being the junior mechanic, I work on the generators. I'll work on any of our equipment that goes down. I work on the desiccants. I'll set the desiccants up sometimes. I also set up the generators on job sites. Butch is our head mechanic and is my mentor. He's come a long way. He's learned how to work with me, and I really respect him for that. He always wants me to get better at everything I do. Sometimes I get a little too ahead of myself when I'm working, and he just always reminds me to slow down. It will get done when it gets done, and going too fast just so I don't hurt myself or anybody else. I'm the youngest here at ESP. I'm 19. Being the youngest is kind of daunting sometimes and makes me nervous, but I have so much to learn from everybody else, and every day I come to work, I try to give it 110%, and I just try to get everything done, try to learn as much, try to be as coachable as I can be. My three main role models in my life are my mom, Mark Shudo, and Chris Williamson. Chris Williamson really makes me better because he gets on me about little things, but I know it's not to hurt my feelings, and I know it's not to just bring me down, it's to make me get better. Same with Mark. Mark is always trying to make me get better, and he's always having me do something that I don't know how to do, and then I pick it up and I just get it done. And my mom's probably my biggest one, just because she works so hard, and growing up, it wasn't always easy. She basically raised me by myself, or by herself, and I give her so much credit for that because I was a crazy kid. Yeah, I look up to her, and I always try to be the best I can be because she does that.
That's great. You want a hug? You don't get that? You made me too.
Yeah.
You're awesome, bro.
My mom being my biggest motivator, she gives me that motivation to work the long hours. Sometimes we'll be out in the cold, freezing, and I just think she's out working, I'm here working, trying to bring honor to the family. I try to make it clear to her as much as possible that she's probably one of the hardest working people I know, and I have so much respect for her.